There's a big bird eating its food, and there's a bullfrog. There's a lady trying to be creative, and there's a chicken cutter. There's wildlife, and these are toys. There's a machine, and there's a dog. Man is kind,